Introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi, I'm Thomas. I'm studying since September of this year until end of December here at MDI, and my home university is HHL in Leipzig in Germany, where I'm doing a part-time program. And fortunately, which is pretty uncommon for part-time programs, HHL offered me the possibility to stay here in India, supported by a DAAD program, and yeah, I like it very much. I met other students from Ivy League universities from Europe here, so Copenhagen Business School and EdTech and Bocconi from Italy. So it's very nice to having made this experience too. And of course, I got involved with my Indian co-students here, which is a pretty amazing experience for all of us European students. And yeah, all of us probably did some travel around. Personally, I was in Rajasthan with some other students for 1 week. We have seen a lot, and yeah. The good thing with MDI is that it's pretty close to Delhi airport, so when you plan to do other trips outside India, maybe within the region, this is a good chance from here too. It's from my hostel at MDI to Delhi airport just 30 minutes with taxi. So good.
And something about your buddy program, the buddies that were assigned to you.
Yeah.